Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you the process of sending pictures to someone via WhatsApp without losing the quality. So what you're supposed to do is for you to go to WhatsApp and then go to the person that you want to send the photo. Then down here you can see there's a pin. Click on that pin, then go to gallery and then select the photo that you want to send to somebody, and make sure that that photo is of high quality. If the photo is not of high quality, then it will not go as of high definition. So let me select the folder where I saved the photo. So this is my photo. I just want to send it somewhere. This is the photo. So this photo is of high quality. So which means I have to come and click HD. Click on HD. You'll see here they have said standard quality, which is 12 by 16, and then here there's what we call HD quality, which is 244.8 by 3264. So I want to click that one there, so that that photo, when I send, it will be of high quality. Then I click send. So this is the only process you can send your photos to someone without changing the quality of the photo. So those who have been thinking of bypassing so that they can maybe use the email address, this is the way forward. I'm saying the only way you can send the photo of high quality is when the photo itself is of high quality. If the photo is of no quality, then that HD will not come. For example, I just want to go and select another photo so that you can understand what I'm trying to tell you. Let me go back to gallery, and I want to choose another photo which I downloaded from Facebook. So I want to choose this one here. So this photo is of low quality, is not HD. That's why you can see this HD is not active. So photos of this caliber will not go there when they are of high quality. So I know most of you are going to try, and then you find that this thing is not going to work. So if this thing doesn't work, it means that that photo is not of high quality. So this is the only process, as I have told you, that you can send your photo via WhatsApp when it has its own originality. So guys, thank you so much for listening and watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. When I post a video like this, you will be able to be notified. See you in the next video.